there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the middle with the nose, and we're going to curve this line around and through towards the bottom. And then we're going to add in a highlight on the top, so we're going to curve this around and back through. Let's color the nose in black now. Let's come down for the mouth. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this out, down and back up. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side, curving that around and over. Let's scoop this underneath now. So we're going to curve this around and through towards the middle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side, curving this around and through, blending that together. Let's draw in the mouth. We're going to draw in a corner bracket on the left hand side. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line across. Let's extend this line up on the left-hand side, curving that through. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now let's move up and draw in the eyes. So right in the middle, we're going to curve this line down, up, around, tucking that in on the left. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this around, up, over, and through on the right. Moving up above that, we're going to draw in another curved line, bringing that down. And then now let's draw in the eyes. So we're going to draw in a nice big oval on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now in the middle, let's draw in another oval for the pupil. And then right on the top, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our pupils black. Now let's draw in the ears up above. So above those arch lines, we're going to draw in a curved line again for the center of the ear. And then we're going to curve these up on a diagonal towards the top. And now from that point, we're going to bring that back down and in on the side. Now from here, let's step up again. Let's replicate that, curving that over. And then from that point again, we're going to curve this line down. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that back around and in. And then we're going to extend this up and then back on the left. Now on the left-hand side, let's curve this line over. And then from that point, we're going to bring this up and through. Again, curving this line out. And then again, bringing this over and in. And then one more time, bringing that out on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back through towards our ear. Now let's draw on the arms. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. And then stepping over on the inside, we're going to arch this line in, over, and through, ending that at the same height. Now for the wrist, we're going to come down, curving this around, across, and back in. And then stepping in towards the middle, curving this around, across, and back in. Let's come down, drawing in a corner bracket on the hand. For the first finger, we're going to curve this over and through. And then for the thumb, we're just going to tuck this back up. Moving in towards the middle, curving that over, and then again, arching that around and down. Now let's draw on the body. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to leave a small gap right in the middle. And then to the right of this, we're just going to continue to curve that up on the side. In the middle, let's draw in a nice big circle. So we're going to connect that from the top, tucking that back in on the bottom. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out. And then on the top, we're going to replicate that coming out, ending that at the same height. Again, let's draw on the wrist. Moving down, curving this over and in. And then moving underneath, curving this around and back across. Now on the bottom, let's come down, drawing in a corner bracket. And then for the thumb, arching that over and through. Now for the first finger, curving this around and up. Let's move in towards the center, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we move out, closing off the hand on the top. Now from the middle, let's step out on both sides. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. And then moving over towards the outside, we're going to draw another diagonal line again. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Let's come around this. We're going to curve this over and through. And then moving across in the opposite direction, replicating that again. Let's move down. We're going to curve this over and through on the inside. Now let's step up, arching this back across. And then for the tail, curving this up and then down on the inside. Now from here, for the shoe, we're going to curve this line down on the inside, ending that at the same height on both sides. And then we're going to curve this line across on the left and right hand side. Now from that point, we're going to arch this up and in towards the top. And then we're going to close off the sole of the shoe, bringing that back through towards the back. Now we're going to draw in that strip, so on the back here, curving that down. And then stepping across again, curving this line over towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Sonic the Hedgehog. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.